Um, Hello, welcome to this video. Today I will be unboxing this Nanoleaf Essentials A60 B22 light bulb. It works with Apple HomeKit. Here's some information. And here's the back of the box. And here it says you can download the app on the App Store or on Google Play. Here's like a quick start guide. And here's the actual light bulb. It's not completely round. It's like a octagon. Sorry, like an octagon or something. And yeah, that's everything in the box. Okay, hey guys, and this is the demo of the Nanoleaf light bulb. So here I've got it connected and paired, and I've chucked it in the room. And here you can change all the colors. Yeah, and that's like the basic colors. You can also change like into something more like complex with like in the scene tab. So you can do like a RGB. Or like something else. Yeah, and you have your favorites tab. Like right now I don't have anything saved because I just set it up. Yes, and another feature is the you can go on the Discover tab right over here, and you can download like other people's scenes that they've made. So for example, I'll download Moonlight. Then as you can see, it changed into like the scene that I just downloaded. And here's one is it's blinking. Yeah, I've already downloaded it. I downloaded it again, and as you can see, it's like flashing. Alright guys, thank you for watching this unboxing and demo of the Nanoleaf light bulb.